We've been looking hard at what we do in the area of social responsibility for a while. We have a great many of our staff all around the world that are involved in local charitable activities and community activities around the world, but we were lacking a strong corporate program. And it seemed to us that this was not only an extremely worthwhile cause, but one where we as a technology provider could make a real difference between success and failure. And we thought this was an ideal program given our positioning in the travel and tourism industry and the potential of the program. We're quite privileged, I feel, actually, to have been able to, given the opportunity, to develop the donation engine, which means that whenever a donation is made through to MASSIVEGOOD, the technical engine that will be handling that behind the scenes will be the engine developed and provided, maintained by Amadeus. Beyond that, many of our customers, we hope, the more the merrier, all of them ideally, will also be our customers being travel agencies and airlines, that they will be facilitating donations to MASSIVEGOOD through their reservations activities, and that Amadeus, being their reservations engine, will also be involved in the actual making of donations in that way. Travel and tourism is, as I'm sure you know, the world's largest industry. Supposedly it accounts for about 10% of world GDP, but it's very fragmented. And it seems to us that this is a worthy cause, and where the travel industry as a whole can actually come together to make a very positive contribution to welfare around the world. I think very often the industry, people love to travel, but too often the industry itself doesn't get particularly good PR, good criticism, it doesn't have a particularly good image among the public. And I think this is a way in which, by demonstrating that we care and that we can organise ourselves to make a real difference in the world, hopefully we can do a little bit to change that. Speaking at the personal level, our two major competitors are also involved in this program, and I have to say it's quite pleasant to be working with them. We beat each other all the time around the world every day, so it's really quite a nice change to be working together for such a worthwhile cause. And if I just made it, this isn't in the questions you wanted to ask me, but I would like to emphasise that the slogan of this program is more money for health and more health for the money. And obviously we're involved in the raising of the more money. But for me, one of the attractions of the program is precisely on that more health for the money. In other words, to find more efficient ways, more cost-effective ways, more affordable ways of delivering better health to the people that really need it. So we're involved in the more money for health, but I think at least as important is the more health for the money aspect of this program. And for us, that is one of the strong motivators of being involved in this program.